in 4 months, I've done $100,000 in my business. It is also my first year in my coaching business.
Before I even launched the program, I think I had made $65,000 or something like that. Launched the program, and by the end of that launch, this amount in sales was, I think, like $201,434.
In just 2 months, I was guided to create a webinar, and then I instantly sold 5 25K packages from people who were just so excited to join the project.
Normally I would get about 30 people booked on, which is about 37,000-ish. Implementing the changes, I went from 30 to 90, which is over, it's like 115,000, and that was in 1 week.
I made $27,000 in 2 months with working with Ingrid. The investment that I made in working with Ingrid was tripled within 3 weeks.
Last month, I did 32. It felt amazing, but here's what you don't know yet. The first 7 days of this month, I did 29.
The very first month that I was in, I made 30K that month. And that was about double the highest month I've ever had before.
I will just forever be grateful that I followed my intuition and invested, because it was the best thing that I could have done for myself and my clients.